absolute revelation. For any truck, SUV, whatever rig you drive, we've got a replacement set up just for you. A couple of really stellar features that make Anzo's setup on headlights totally different from the rest, and we're gonna roll through all of them with you here today. The first thing I want to point out, of course, is going to be that projector. Now, the biggest thing about this projector, as you can see here, we have an integrated high and low beam, but if you do have a vehicle that has them separate, both will be converted to the projector beam. We also have this absolutely beautiful, this is that switchback LED bar that goes all the way around the projector. That is actually going to change color for you back to amber when you're using your turn signals. Another really great thing I love about Anzo and their setup is it is a very heavy duty setup and housing. Everything that goes out of their warehouse is tested and absolutely proven for performance before it ever reaches your doorstep. One really great feature on this one too, guys, is the install. Now, it's going to vary a little bit from make, model, year, and everything required to get these mounted comes out of the box. That includes the wiring, which is actually real plug and play. Everything that they sell is DOT and SAE approved, so you will not have any issues as far as getting any of their headlights, some of their tail lights, any accessory lighting they have. It is within all codes, so no problems with the police later on, guaranteed. This setup here is the black housing. We also have chrome available. There's a few options out there as far as different lenses, all different setups, so you can make a truly custom appearance for any vehicle. Again, whatever you've got right now for OE, go ahead, throw on the Anzo Switchback LED projector headlights. You will not regret it. Thank you. Join us, RHRSwag.com.